And what's next? All the challenges and what we provide at Third Web. I believe that we have spent the last 18 months at Third Web laying down the foundation of almost like a building block for Web3, so that builders don't have to. And obviously, that is a statement that anyone could make. And we don't want to just be another person to make that statement. And so we challenge ourselves. For us at Third Web, we talk about like, hey, we made it easier to build a Web3 game. What does that mean? We spend 3 weeks, one person, we managed to build a Web3 game called the Web3 Warriors using our gaming kit. And you can check it out, web3warriors.thirdweb.com. It's a full-on game on a blockchain. We deploy it on a base testnet and really showcase and demonstrate, what a Web3 game could be and built using our tools, right? You would hear like game studio would spend years and months trying to figure out how to build a Web3 game, but we managed to kind of do that in a short amount of time with one engineer. Commerce kit. When we think about like, hey, how can we make Web3 useful, right? Commerce is kind of one area where you could use it. You can use NFTs, you could use digital identity for commerce. And so we partner with Shopify to build Commerce Kit, and really it's just to show like how you could build digital commerce experience leveraging Web3 technology. And obviously minting, everyone does it these days. So what's next? I think in the last decade, we have seen that, cloud compute, AWS, GCP, Azure, Cloudflare, they have unlocked a way for builder to build without having to worry about servers, right? And I believe that none of us here really are excited or passionate about racking servers and waking up at midnight, like dealing with like this failure and all of that, right? And cloud has made it so that we, as a builder in the space, really just like let our creativity run wild and let us build products that we wanted to build. The combination of better cloud infrastructure, the tooling, it frees builders up from dealing with all the burden of infrastructure, the hardware, security, recovery, disaster recovery, all of that. And all of that led to, the born of Web2 application that we've seen, right? Like social media, Snap, Instagram, all the applications we're familiar with, Twitter and all of that. And similarly, we at Thera want to do the same for Web3. We want to empower developers to build decentralized internet product without having to worry about the infrastructure. We want to let you figure out what to build, and then we will take care of the how part. And so anything that you want to build, we can help. And what that means is, you as a builder, we want to free you up and let you be creative and innovate to build real use cases. What does Web3 social look like? What does Web3 broadcasting look like? What do brand needs? What do brands get out of it? Games, commerce, and more, right? The true innovations happen when builders is free from all of this burden of like the infrastructure problem and really focusing down on like what the user want and what application is useful for everyone. And that, I believe, will unlock, will bring in more users in the space and really, really just like legitimize the industry as a whole, but also just like help people realize, what a decentralized world could be. And that, I'll leave you with that. And if you're building Web3, we'd love to chat. If you're a builder, we'd love to help. You can email us at partners@thera.com, or you can reach out to me, Jake@thera.com as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Jake. And really appreciate everyone for staying on extra. You should be getting a poll on your screen about giving us some feedback. So please take a moment to fill that out. And if you're going to be at ETHCC, we will hear the list of PLN events so far. Please learn more and register at events.plnetwork.io. If your event is missing, you can also add it to the Google Sheet that was dropped into the chat. And that way we can get it added to the website. Thanks again, everyone. And yeah, also, if you have any additional feedback, we have a discussion hub in GitHub that we would love to get your more detailed thoughts on. This way we can continue to improve this meeting and make it something that is useful and exciting and informative for everyone who is here. So thank you again and have a great rest of your day.